Hello and welcome to Nagpur Samay News. It's time for English current affairs with me, Rinku. Let's take a quick view from in and around the globe. A sensational case has come to light from the Ajni police station area in Nagpur. Here, a delivery boy snatched gold chain from a woman under the pretext of delivering a parcel and filled the spot. The entire incident was captured on CCTV camera based on the complaint of the victim. The police have registered a case and are now searching for the accused. Taking the matter seriously, the Ajni police are conducting further investigation. In Nagpur, Minister Dattatreya Bharne announced that a survey has begun in the 39 lakh hectares affected excessive rainfall. The government is fully committed to providing compensation to the farmers. Regarding Ajit Pawar's absence, Bharne clarified that he was busy with work on the issue of Maratha and OBC reservation. The minister said the government's stand is clear. He also warned of strict action against those supplying fake seeds. The minister emphasized that the government's focus is on the welfare of farmers. A horrific head-on collision occurred this morning between a school bus and a school van in the Mankapur area of Nagpur. In this accident, 7 innocent children and 1 driver were seriously injured. All the injured have been admitted to Max Hospital, where the condition of some remains critical. Initial reports suggest the overtaking and negligence are believed to be the primary causes of the tragic incident. Police have registered a case and begun their investigation. During the devastating floods in Punjab, many individuals have stepped forward to help the floods victims. Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's Mir Foundation has also extended a helping hand by supporting 1,500 flood-affected families in the region. The foundation has provided essential relief materials to those impacted, working in collaboration with local NGOs. Mir Foundation is actively assisting families in flood-hit areas of Punjab. As part of this initiative, essential relief kits are being distributed, which include medicines, hygiene supplies, food items, mosquito nets, tarpaulins, folding beds, cotton mattresses and other necessary items. Well, that's all from this bulletin. For more updates, keep watching Nagpur Samay News. Till then, Rinku says goodbye. Please take very good care of yourself.